Hello dear, welcome to Crochet Diva. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful boho style crochet earring hook. So let's get started. For this beautiful project, I have used DMC Natura Just Cotton DKN and the color's name is Geranium. You will need 2 earring hoops, a pair of scissors, tapestry needle and a measuring tape, a hair comb or brush and a crochet hook 2.0 mm. So let's get started. We'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'm going to get my earring hook and the hook I'm using here is 2.0 mm. So with the help of the hook, I'll insert my hook into the hoop. Then I'm going to pull up a loop here and then I will do chain 1 with the working yarn. Tighten up your loop. Next we are going to do a single crochet around the hoop. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. So this is your first single crochet stitch. If you want, you can mark it with the stitch marker. Here I'm doing it. In first round we are going to do 21 single crochet around this hoop. This is my second single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. So this is the third one, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In this way we are going to do 21 single crochet. If you think you are in the middle of the hook, you can move your yarn near to the starting of the hook. Next we'll do another 11 single crochet. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and the last one 21. So I have done altogether 21 single crochet in this round. Here now I'm going to trim off the last yarn. Cut it off here. After we'll do 1 chain. So this is the end of round 1 and turn your project. Start round 2 by making a single crochet in the first stitch. It's under the chain 1. So this is your first stitch. We are going to insert the hook there. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. In this way we are going to do another single crochet in the next stitch. In this way we'll do 1 single crochet in each of the first 10 stitch. So this is my third stitch, third single crochet, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, 7th, 8th, This is my 8th single crochet. I'm going to count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So make sure you count it again and again so that you have the correct number of stitches. 9 and 10th. So I have done my first 10 single crochet, as you can see. After that we are going to do 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Also we are going to skip one stitch. We'll skip this stitch, and in the next stitch here is the 12th stitch. So we are going to do a single crochet. Then we'll do one single crochet in each of the rest 9 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and the last stitch. So in the last stitch we will do one more single crochet. This would be our last one, so 9. You will be able to notice here that I have done 10 single crochet first, then chain 3, I skipped one single crochet, and then I have done another 10 single crochet in this round. Next I will do chain 1 and trim off and fasten off here. So I'm going to cut the yarn here. With the help of a needle, I'm going to weave in and hide the yarn in the back side of this hoop. Next, trim off the extra yarn. I will cut it off here. This is how the earring hoop will look like after weaving the end. It's time to add the fringes now, so we'll cut fringes. With the same yarn, I will make a yarn length of 10 inches and cut my yarn here. If you want, you can fold it as many times as you want, because we'll need a lot of fringes. Here I'm going to show you how I have done it. I'm cutting a 10-inch pieces of yarn. After that, I'm going to fold the yarn twice. So make sure you are holding the both yarn ends. We will pull these fringes the back side of the hoop. Make sure you are in the back side of the hoop. So first you need to skip 4 stitches. Then in the 5th stitch, this is the 4th one. In the 5th stitch, we'll start by inserting a hook. In the meantime, I have folded my fringe twice again and pull up the fringe here, yarn over and pull through this loop. This is how you are going to make a fringe. We will need 15 fringes for this project, so I'm going to show you in a quick how I'm going to make lots of fringes. So I'm going to fold up. I will fold this 10-inch measurements of yarn as many times as you need to make 14 fringes. Next, cut off the yarn at the end. Also, we are going to cut off these loops. As you can see, both sides got some loops. We're going to use scissors to cut them off. This fringes doesn't need to be exactly same sizes. Approximately same size would be okay. I'm going to show you again how I have pulled up these fringes. So this fringe I'm going to add in the 6th stitch. Make sure you are in the back side of this project. So I have folded it twice, 2 times. Then now I'm going to pull up. See, I'm going to pull up this through the stitch, then yarn over and pull through all of these yarns through the loop. Tighten up. In this way, pull up fringes in each stitch until you reach the chain 3 space. As you can notice, I have already done 6 fringes. Now I am in chain 3 space, and I will show you how I have done the chain 3 space. In the chain space, we are going to add fringes around the chain space. So here I'm at the back of the project, and now I'm going to pull up this fringe in chain 3 space. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through this loop. Tighten up your fringe. We will do 3 fringes in this chain space. I'll be back after doing all of these fringes. After doing 3 fringes in the chain space, I will do 1 fringe in each of the next 6 stitch, and make sure you have 4 stitch left. We'll skip the last 4 stitches. This is how my project looks like after doing all of the fringes. You will be able to notice that I have skipped 4 stitches at the beginning. Also, I have skipped 4 stitches at the ending. Now cut off these fringe loops in the middle so that you can have all of the fringes ready. To block, I have used pins, starch spray. You can use water instead if you don't have starch spray, a scissor, and a hair comb or brush. Start with spraying a lot of starch spray or water to make it really wet. Use pins to hold the shape of this earring hook. You will need plenty of pins to do this. If you want, you can use a clean brush instead of a clean hair comb. Next, we are going to do is make these fringes straight. When you are happy with the straightened fringes, start cutting those fringes to give it a proper shape. We are going to cut at 1.5 inches in both sides of these fringes. So here 1.5 inches goes there in the right side. Same way I'm going to measure 1.5 inches on the left side as well. So as you can see, I'm marking these both spots roughly 1.5 inches. If you want, you can use pen to mark it. With my scissor, now I'm going to cut 45-degree angle, and I will reach the middle of this earring hook. Same way, cut the other side as well. So you are going to use the tape to measure the length of the fringe, then cut 45-degree angle so that you can create an angle at the bottom of this earring hook. Leave it in a dry place to let it dry. Ta-da! Your boho earring hoops are ready to wear now. If you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Happy crocheting!